This is video number 59 and this is the short trick method for video number 58. So I am writing short trick method for non-repeated linear. Only the case. The short trick method only for the cases of non-repeated linear. Look at here. It is 4x minus 9 by x square minus 5x plus 6. It is x minus 2 into x minus 3. Now this is numerator is what? 4x minus 9. And you have to adjust this numerator as the something into x minus 2 denominator plus something into x minus 3 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. I am repeatedly telling it. 4x minus 9 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. You have to write something, the numerator is something into x minus 2 plus something into x minus 3 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So here something into x minus 4, something into x minus 2. In third case, something into 2x minus 3 into something into x minus 6. Also in number 4, what I am doing, it is 2x 20x plus 3 by if you will factorize this, it becomes x minus 2 into x plus 1, something into x minus 2 plus something into x plus 1 by x minus 2 into x plus 1. What I am doing there, you just look. It is 4x minus 9. 4x minus 9. If you will take, you have to do, if you will do 2, look at here. 2x, 2x. It is 4x. But it is minus 4 minus 6. It is minus 10. So this is not the answer. Now, you see, if we will put 1 here, 1 here, 3 here, this is hit and try. If we will put here, it is x plus 3x, 4x, but it is minus 2 minus 9. Again it is minus 10, but it is minus 9 is there. Sorry, minus 11, it is minus 9 there. Now you have to put 3, 1. Look at here, what is this? This is 3x plus x. It is 4x minus 6 minus 3. It is what? Minus 9. Then you have to divide this by this. If you will divide first, it becomes 3 by x minus 3 plus 1 by x minus 2. So in just thinking for only for a minute, you can solve this. No method to go. But in the examination hall, you should not do this. If a question will come directly on this about 3 marks or 6 marks, you should not do by this method. You can do this method only on the cases for long problems when it is inside a problem. Suppose a differential equation is there. It is very lengthy problem, differential equation. In that case, you have to solve here this problem. In that case only you put this by adjustment. Now look at here. There is no constant. No constant means minus 4 minus 2 cancel. And it is 3x. Mind it. Then what you have to do? You just put this 2. It becomes what? Minus 4. You just put 1. It becomes what? 1x plus 2x. It is 3x. It is minus 4 minus 4. It is minus 8. But what you have to do? You have, this is not the method. Then you think what to put. Then look at here. If you will put 2 here, then it becomes what? You have to cancel minus 4 minus 4. Okay? Then look at here. I am writing here, here numerator there is no constant. So you have to cancel multiplication of something into 4, multiplication of something into 2. You have to cancel. So I am multiplying it by 6. I am taking x minus 2 as the first term and x minus 4 as the second term. So 6 into x minus 2, that is 6x minus 12. It is minus 3x plus 12. minus 12 plus 12 they cancel. 6x minus 3x, it is what? 3x, you get the answer. Now when you separate, it becomes what? It becomes 6 by what? X minus 4. Then it is plus minus 3 by x minus 6 by x minus 4 and minus 3 by x minus 2. Now look at here. It is 2x minus 3, x minus 6. 2x minus 3, x minus 6. You have to adjust to convert to 5x. It will put, it is a hit and trial method, but after doing 2-3 problems, you can adjust yourself. Suppose I am multiplying 2, because as it is 12, so I am taking 2 here, 1 here. Look at here. Just it is 4x plus x, that is 5x, minus 12 plus minus 6, minus 6 minus 6, that is minus 12. Now look at this problem. X minus 2 into what? X plus 1. It becomes what? Now dash into x minus 2, dash into x plus 1. Look at here. It is 4, it is 3, but the answer is 20x. Okay? You have to think like this. Look at question number 5. I am just question number 4. I am just changing it. It is 6x square minus x minus 2. The numerator is 20x plus 3. And you can change this question also in for video number 58. This is a 20x plus 3 by 6x square minus x minus 2. When you partial fraction it, it becomes 3x minus 2 into what? 2x plus 1. It becomes something into x, 3x minus 2, something into 2x plus 1. The answer is 20. Mind it, 20x plus 3. I am just taking 3, 7. It becomes 14x. I am taking 2 here. It becomes 20x. The 6x plus 14x. It is 20x and it is minus 4. It is plus 7. It is minus 4 plus 7. It is what? 3. Then you separate it. It becomes 2 by what? 2 by 2x plus 1 plus what? This is 7 by 3x minus 2. And this is the short trick method for non-repeated linear, and this is a hit and trial method. Mind it, this is hit and trial. Sometimes, many times, not sometimes, many times the answer of these boxes will be within minus 5 to plus 5, within this. Maximum it will exceed 7 to, it is a maximum case. But first you make a trial in which problems, the long problems like differential equations or some things, when you need, it will do that problem. In that problem, inside this will come. At that case, you will do by this method. And you have to remember also the short trick method for non-repeated linear. No short trick method. Yes, there are short trick method for repeated linear, and but you should not. It is not in your course. You should remember this method, which is very easy for you for difficult problems. Okay.